Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to teach you guys 5 makeup mistakes to avoid, and these aren't just makeup mistakes to avoid but mistakes I have myself excessively done in the past. And makeup is a whole learning process. I know there's no rules to it and people learn on their own, and which is why I want to tell you to avoid these mistakes, because over the years I know that I have done these and this was wrong. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So the first makeup mistake to avoid is picking the wrong foundation. And I know as humans we want to get fairer skin, so we use like fairer tones, but it's very important to get the right skin tone. You need to match it against your jawline. So take a few foundations if you have them, or just go to a store and like you can test them out and see which one blends better and is the closest or is as perfect as your skin tone, and that's the right foundation to use. I generally used to go for lighter skin tone foundations when I was really small, but then I realized it just looks like I'm a ghost, you know. So pick the right foundation, one that matches your skin tone perfectly. So the next makeup mistake is stretching your eyes when you're applying your eyeliner. Now I'm so used to doing this the right way that I can't do it the wrong way anymore. And when you stretch your eyes, the angle is different, and also it's just going to apply it really weirdly. There's a different picture you have in mind when you stretch your eyes, and then when you release it, it just turns out to be completely different. So don't stretch your eyes when you're applying your eyeliner. And I know it's not easy to just apply it like that, but practice really does make perfect. It takes me like less than 2 seconds to apply my eyeliner when I'm in a rush, because I don't really have to do so much mehnat. And yeah, practice is the key to this. The next makeup mistake is something I did when I learned contouring. It is applying harsh contour lines, and when I started I was horrible with this. Like I used to like not even blend it properly. So you need to make sure that you blend your contour really well, and also make sure the angle is proper. So I learned this trick from my aunt when I was like in school. It's basically putting your hand like this, like a telephone, and then when you press against here, you'll feel your cheekbone, and you have to put your contour right under your cheekbone and make sure it's not too pigmented like your contour. Make sure that it blends well if it's too pigmented, if it's too dark, and make sure that it just goes well with your face. The next makeup mistake is getting your blush cup pressure wrong. And when I was small, I used to do this a lot. I used to do all of these mistakes. I basically used to like throw blush on my face. It used to be so bad, and I never realized until like now when I see my pictures, it's so horrible. I used to apply so much blush and not blend it properly, and I used to put it here. Like your blush is supposed to be somewhere here and not really on the apples. Maybe for different looks it's different. There's no rules to makeup, but then just control the blush pressure. You always can dust it off when you take it on your brush. So when you take it like this, just dust it off a little bit and then you can apply it. The next and the last makeup mistake to avoid is to not remove your makeup before sleeping. And I do this still, so I still do this, which is why I have freckles on my face now, because I don't take care of my skin as well. But it's very important to remove your makeup before you sleep. And if you sleep with eyeliner, you know you're gonna wake up with raccoon eyes in the morning and you're gonna look like a panda, and that's not nice. Even though like it gives you that look, it also like collects a lot of dirt on your face, which is why it's very important to remove your makeup. So these were 5 makeup mistakes to avoid, and I hope this video helped you in some way. Like this video, comment below and let me know what makeup mistakes you've done in the past, and also if there's any other video you want to see on my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.